In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the purl stitch. I have got a swatch already going with my purl stitches on the back. I'm going to take my right needle and I'm going to insert it on the right side of the first stitch with my working yarn in front. So insert in the first, wrap the yarn over and around, and then pull through the stitch toward the back. Again, keeping my yarn in front, insert through the right, wrap over and around, pull through, and then drop the stitch off the needle. Insert to the right, wrap around, pull through, and drop. Again, pull through and drop. Insert to the right, wrap the yarn around, pull through, and drop. I'm fast forwarding to the end to show you how to finish off the purl row. Okay, I'm getting to the end and I will just continue the same way. And then once I get to the very last stitch, just hang on to that stitch, insert and wrap, pull through, and then you can give it a little tug. And this is how you knit the purl stitch. I have patterns available on my website at thekikigallery.com. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items I used are in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.